a teacher at Minyali Estate, the secretary to Bungoma East Sub-County Primary. This year we have had a very competitive festival because of junior secondary. We got very many teams. So we have had 2 days. Day one was yesterday, and today is the climax of our festival. Thank you.
The head teacher Nabion the Pefa, the treasurer of Bungoma East Sub-County. I want to thank the Lord for keeping us safe, for bringing us here. We are in music festival for our sub-county and we are doing it well. Let me